Hi everyone, and this is a series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. In this series, we solve medium difficulty questions. In today's challenge, we are going to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. We have a table employee with the ID, name, department, and their manager ID, and we need to write a solution to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. For example, in this table, John has 5 different people who report to him directly. In SQL, we will first group by manager ID and select the manager ID which appears 5 or more times in the group. We write select manager ID from table employee and we group by manager ID having count ID greater or equal to 5. If this is our group and there is at least 5 different IDs in this group, the select statement will output 101. Now we need to find out the name of the person whose ID is 101. Therefore, we write an outer select statement. We select the name from employee table, where ID is in the list that will be displayed after running the select statement that we just created. In this table, we have only one manager ID and therefore the output is only one person. Let's run this query, and we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, similar to SQL, we take the data frame employee and we group by manager ID. With the method size, we count the number of reports for each manager ID. In other words, we count how many IDs are there in each group of manager IDs. Now we filter for managers with at least 5 reports. So we just created a new dataset count. We take this dataset and we check if the report count is greater or equal to 5. This will be our new dataset called Loyal Managers. Now we join back to the original table to get the names. We take this Loyal Managers dataset and we do the merge. We merge with the employee data frame, but instead of merging with the whole table, we just merge with 2 columns. We need ID and we need name. So we basically omit the department and manager ID. Since we're merging these 2 datasets, we need to indicate on which conditions we merge. On the left side, from Loyal Managers dataset, we merge on manager ID column. On the right side, from the employee data frame, we merge on ID, and this will be our result. Now we return only the name column as required. We write the return keyword and the result dataset, but only name column. Let's run the code. And we successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Having clause and in operator in SQL, or Pandas Boolean indexing and merge method in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.